Good day. Welcome to RNA Baba Yoruba. We are still on tone practice. On today's episode, we are going to be pronouncing the raise sign as well as the do sign, which is the middle tone as well as the low tone. And we're going to be practicing it on our vowel sounds. So let's take it this way. A, E, O, U. Let's take it in another form. A, E, E, I, O, U, So that is for the middle tone. We don't have to indicate all these on the vowel sound, as we've said in one of our episodes. Now let's proceed to the next one, which is the low tone, which is also known as do. A, E, I, O, U. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. If you wish to proceed in your Yoruba language learning, you can always reach out to us. Thank you.
RNA Baba Yoruba TV.